Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about basic Arabic conversation in daily life. But what makes this video so special is that we are going to learn about what are the most common words or phrases used during month of Ramadan. But before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Month of Ramadan. Festive seasons like Ramadan are also a great opportunity to learn more about foreign language and other cultures. So, in this video, let us go through some of the basic and most common Arabic words and phrases used during Ramadan and get to know a bit how it is used in our daily life. So, what are the most common words or phrases used during Ramadan? First one is Ramadan wishes. Ramadan Mubarak. Have a blessed Ramadan. Ramadan Kareem. Have a generous Ramadan. صوما مقبولا وإفطارا شهيا. كل عام وأنتم بخير. This phrase is also used for Eid or New Year's celebration or also for birthday. Next, how to say that we are fasting during this month of Ramadan. The word fasting itself is rooting from the verb sama yasumu, which means to fast. So how to say that I'm fasting? For a woman or a girl, we can say أنا صائمة. هل أنت صائم? For a boy, we can say أنا صائم. Instead of using أنا صائم to show or to tell that I am fasting, we can use the verb أصوم, which means the same thing with أنا صائم. Few vocabularies, Sawmun and Siyamun are two words that have the same meaning. Day of Ramadan. How to tell people that today is the first day of Ramadan. اليوم أول يوم من رمضان. العد التنازلي means countdown. مثلا أو for example العد التنازلي للعيد. Right? Countdown. إفطار time. حان وقت الإفطار. It is the time for إفطار. ماذا سوف نأكل للإفطار اليوم? What are we going to eat for إفطار today? The word إفطار is rooting from the verb أفطر يفطر إفطارا, which means to break fast. سحور time. قبل الفجر نتسحر. Before the dawn, we have the pre-dawn meal, which is سحور. السحور وجبة مهمة. Pre-dawn meal or سحور itself is an important meal. The word سحور is rooting from the verb تسحر يتسحر, which means to have pre-dawn meal or to have the suhoor itself. Suhoorun is the noun. Next is how to say the duration of or how to tell about the duration of fasting. نصوم من الفجر إلى المغرب. We fast from the dawn till the sunset. So here we go to the supplication that we always listen or hear about during this month of Ramadan. عسى الله أن يتقبل صيامنا وصالح أعمالنا. May Allah accept our fast and good deeds. And don't forget to pay your zakat. For more videos, subscribe this YouTube channel to watch more videos about basic Arabic conversation and also basic Arabic for beginners. Thank you.